So I'll be translating the English into Manipuri. I request you all to repeat after me. Hello is said as hello. Hello in Manipuri is said as hello. What is your name? Adongi Ming Kari Kau E. Adongi Ming Kari Kau E. My name is Lakshmi. Aigi Ming Lakshmi Kau E. How are you? Adom Nunga Iribara. Adom Nunga Iribara. I am fine. Ai Nunga Iri. Ai Nunga Iri. That's all for today.